Hello and Assalamu alaikum, dear listeners. Welcome to Gilgit Baltistan, a region in the north of Pakistan known for its breathtaking beauty and delicious cherries. Cherry farming is a significant source of income for the local communities here. The farmers take great care in cultivating and harvesting their cherry crops. The cherry picking season usually starts in June and lasts for over 2 months. The farmers work tirelessly to ensure that the cherries are picked at the right time when they are ripe and ready to be packed. After picking, the cherries are sorted and packed in special boxes to be transported to market across the country. The packing process is crucial to ensure that the cherries remain fresh and retain their flavor. The farmers take great care in handling and packing the cherries to maintain their quality. For the farmers of Gilgit Baltistan, cherry farming is not just a source of income but a way of life. They take great pride in their work and are dedicated to producing the best quality cherries. Gilgit Baltistan's cherries are renowned for their taste and quality. The region's unique climate and soil make it an ideal place for cherry cultivation.